subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. Keep at your Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2. Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Bito Waka.
Bito,
I'm not the team.
Sharp man. They are calling me Tito. Tito Masanga. Ambulance say Tembi Sabo. Sabo for your professionalism. Yes. Your patience.
Sure.
Our friends know we work together. The only thing he did was go on the playing field and do his best. So Sambonga and hopefully La Paya corner. Sure. Coming to the game is Tiwo. First half, Pirates has obviously controlled the game and managed to score. Second half is Kukuni. Has been honest. The first 15 minutes we were under pressure. Because we were full of goal, we were full. Move and then our police were going to call. But overall, the game in among analyze a problem. And yes, bonus and good Saturday. But this Kukunu it's a good team. Golden Arrows na ngiti bonili yenzu mhlolo. Kunma kakhulu ushuthi uma analyze ungazuhamba kancane ngiyezwa bakhala signing yethu this is his second game and I think udlale almost 20 minutes so far so coach is still introducing him to the style of play as a South Africa abantu laba abakhuluma abacommentayo mabayenze ilentuzana kuqala bayenza ama research wabo bacheck kuqala before baringa siyazi bafuna ukusquara mina ngisukela nge-FNP yokwara abantu but they must understand ukuthi kunento esisayiphilda and sizoba grand njengoba bakhuluma bathi iPirates ayisafani ine-lose this year kusizini ine-lose mara ayisafani kanjani uyangu-understand shuthi mawuthi sisafani usukhuluma ngani noba uwadi umnandi that guy knows what he's doing so Saturday sizoza viyile aba mara Saturday mele angithi is-1 score 1 Saturday namhlanje score 2 kodwa yonke lento le
Mashatri Saturday Team in time.